Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now we all love those nice special fry recipes and I've made several recipes earlier. I'll give you a couple of links in the description. Today I'm going to share a wonderful yam fry recipe. Check this out. So it's going to be a little different from the usual ones. Make sure you follow all the tips that I'm going to share with you guys in the video. So let's get started and check it out. So I have the elephant foot yam variety here for today's recipe. Now before you cut it, what happens is sometimes we get this mild itchiness on our palms while cutting the vegetable. So you can just apply or rub a little bit of oil while cutting the yam. Now I've already cut it and kept it into nice big and thick slices. You don't want it to be too thin. So if you cut it into nice big slices like this, when we fry them, it tastes much better. So I have already cut it and kept it here. So let's go on to the next step. So the next step is to wash these slices in buttermilk. So I have this diluted buttermilk here in this bowl. So what happens is after cooking the pieces, while eating them, it will reduce the itchiness because sometimes for some people it might irritate while eating. So just washing these slices in buttermilk will reduce that or it will avoid that. So these are a few tips that you should follow. Add the yam slices to the buttermilk and mix it all well. Just rub the pieces with the buttermilk. Once done, remove it from the buttermilk and keep it in a bowl. Next, to cook the yam, to a pot add enough water, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon salt and add all the yam pieces to the water. Mix it well, keep the flame on high and cook it for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the pieces are cooked well, it's nice and soft. Turn off the stove, strain the water and keep the pieces aside. Let them cool completely. So now we're going to prepare the masala needed for the fry. To a bowl, add about 3 teaspoons of rice flour, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, 2 teaspoons cumin powder, 3 teaspoons coriander powder, 1 teaspoon fennel powder and 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Squeeze the juice of half lemon in it. Mix everything together. Add a little water and mix the masala well. You can adjust the quantity of the masala powders according to the quantity of yam. Add water as required and mix the masala. The masala mix is ready now. Add the yam pieces in the masala mix. Coat them completely with the masala on both sides. See, it has been fully coated with the masala. Marinate all the pieces like this for at least 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, let's fry the marinated yam pieces. Heat a tawa and add about 3 tablespoons of oil. Spread it evenly on the tawa. Once the oil is hot, place the marinated yam pieces on the tawa. Keep the flame on medium throughout. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on one side. Once it's cooked, flip it to the other side and cook on both sides till they turn to a golden brown color. Using a spoon to flip the pieces, you may use whichever is convenient for you. See how nice and crispy it is? Once done on both sides, remove it from the tawa and transfer it to a plate. You can fry these masala coated yam pieces in batches. So you can see now the tasty and crispy yam fry is ready to be served nice and hot. This fry goes very well with sambar rice, rasam rice or even curd rice. Do give it a try and I'm sure you all will absolutely love it. We'll give you a couple of links to the other fry recipes I've made earlier. Do check them out. Wow, just look at that yam fry. It looks absolutely gorgeous. The pieces are all coated so beautifully in that masala. Well, it's time to taste now. Just look at that. It's just so perfectly cooked. The flavors are absorbed by the pieces so perfectly and it's so tasty. Wow. Just look at that. I'm really enjoying this right now. You can just happily eat this. It makes for a very nice side dish and you can also enjoy it as a starter. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Make sure to follow all the steps to get it perfectly. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.